Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So now we're on the exercise of lesson 6. So far you should know how to read the Fatha, Kasra and Dhamma letter. So here you should say, so I'm going to click on the letter and I want you to say the letter before I do. If you can say the letter before I do, that means you know well enough to move forward. So now I'm going to click on this one. Da. So you should have said it before me. Ma. A. He. Ji. Za. Na. Li. Mu. Ru. Ti. Ta. Tu. Du. Okay, so if you could say the letters before I did, then you know well enough to move on to the exercises. So now I'm going to start. If you still need to practice your letters, practice them, and then after you practice them, move on to the exercise. Okay, now here, this is a 2-line letter with a dom on top, so the sound will be ju. It's an ayn with a kasra, I. Ju'i. So you say the first letter, then the second letter, you join them, and then you say a third letter by itself and join them all together. So la, ju'i la, and make sure you don't stretch any of the letters. So ju, quick, I, ju'i la, ju'i la. Next one. So 2-line letter with a dot on top this time. This one was at the bottom. This one was, so it was a ju. Now this one is a kha with a dhamma. Khu, li, khuli. This is a qaf. So qa, khuliqa. Next one. Dhu, kaf with a kasra. Ki, dhuki, ra, dhukira. Su, this is a hamza with a kasra. I, su'i, la, su'ila. Now pause the video and practice this line at least 3 times. Make it perfect. Once you're ready, move on to the next line. It's a dha with a dhamma, so make it full mouth. Dhu. And don't say zu or dhu. Try and make it full mouth. Dhu. Li. Dhuli. Ma. Dhulima. Next one. Mu. This line, okay, so this is a 1-line letter with a dot on top. So this is a nun with a kasra. Ni. Muni. Then it's an ayn with a fatha. A. Muni'a. Next is a lam with a dhamma. Lu. Then here, this letter is an ayn, which we learnt in page 6. If you remember, this is an ayn with a kasra. I. Lu'i. Then it's a nun with a fatha. Na. Lu'ina. See how quickly I'm reading all the letters. Next one is ha with a dhamma. Hu. Then it's a dal with a kasra. Di. Hudi. Ya. Hudiya. Now pause the video and then practice this line 3 times. Once you're ready, move on to the next line. Okay, next is wu. Then it's a 2-line letter with a dot on top. It's a jim with a kasra. Ji. Wuji. Da. Wuji da. Next is a sin with a dhamma. Su. This here we learnt in page 6. This is a qaf. So with a kasra. So make sure you say the qa sound. Qi. Suqi. Ta. So this is not a ta, it's a ta. Make sure you make it full mouth. Ta. Suqi ta. And make sure you do the rules of spelling. So first letter, second letter, join them all together. Then the new letter, then you join it all together. Okay, so now here this looks a bit tricky. This is an ayn with a dhamma. Ru. Then it's a fa. See 1 dot on top, so it's a circle with a dot on top. It's a fa with a kasra at the bottom. Fi. Rufi. Then this letter over here with 2 dots on the bottom is a ya. So ya is the only letter which has 2 dots at the bottom. So with a fatha. Rufiya. Next one's a 2-line letter with no dots. It's a ha. So hu. This is a sheen with a kasra. Shi. Hushi. Try to say the ha from the middle of the throat, by the way. Hushi. Ra. Ra is a full mouth letter. Ra. Hushira. Okay, now pause the video and practice this line at least 3 times. Once you're ready, move on to the next line. Line number 4. Okay, so this is a ha with a dhamma, hu. Ba with a dhamma, bu. Hubbu. Kaf with a kasra, ki. Hubbuki. Next is a sad with a dhamma, su. Ha with a dhamma, hu. Suhu. Fa with a kasra, fi. Suhufi. Next one, u. Dhu. Udhu. See, make sure them very quick. Udhu. Ni. Udhuni. Next one, ru. So now these are all dhammas, so they're very easy. So they all make an u sound. Ru, bu, rubu, u, rubu'u. Okay, now this line is done. Pause the video and practice this line 3 times. Once you're ready, then move on to the next line. A. Now here there's an ayn with a kasra. So I. A, I. Try see the difference in the sounds between the hamza and the ayn. So listen carefully. A, I. A, I. A, I. Now it's a dha with a dhamma. So it's full mouth letter. So look over here. Dhu. A'idhu. Then it's a ta with a fatha. Ta. It's a za with a kasra. Zi. Tazi. Ra with a dhamma. Ru. Taziru. Next, here's a 1-line letter with 2 dots at the bottom. So there's a ya. So ya. Ri. Yari. Thu. Yari thu. Next is again a ya with a fatha. So ya. Then an ayn with a kasra. So I. Ya'i. Then it's a dal with a dhamma. Du. Ya'idu. Okay, so now we've gone through all the lines. Now practice and then stop the video and then practice the last line at least 3 times. And then test yourself in these random boxes. So choose this box, for example, and then this box, and then this box, and then this box. See if you can read all these boxes in random order. So keep practicing them until they become perfect. So you're ready to say your test as soon as you go to class, to your teacher.